this is Cool Trains of Montreal. I'm here at the bridge at Lachine Canal here in St Henri, and this is a eastbound CN, looks like a grain train crossing the canal, which I'm kind of lucky to get because they're running all the trains at the same time. I was trying to move to another position, so I'm a little out of position for this, but still. In the foreground there is a switch stand from the spur that heads down to, I guess it's called Robin Hood Flower, or used to be called Robin Hood Flower. Not sure what they call it now. So guess 1:45 p.m. on the 15th of November 2021. So kind of lucky with these trains. They're running them all now in daylight. Notice how there's no paddlers on the Lachine Canal anymore. It's colder. Gray skies. Summer's gone here in Montreal, and fall is leading into winter now. An interesting view of the trains. Usually I'm a little closer, so you don't get this, the foreground of the railing and the switch stands and whatever. But considering how far away I was when this train triggered the crossing over here, it's no wonder I got any of it. This one was also sitting at Turcotte Holding when I was on the 211, so yeah, I saw this train earlier too. This is the second CN train in about 20 minutes crossing this bridge. There's the DPU, look at that. ET44 AC, I think. Still cyclists on this path, despite it being a little chilly. There's some of the industrial buildings in the background there, and the spur. St Ambroise Street crossing is just behind these buildings. And that's the last car right there. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.